Remove the rear panel of the motor. Remove the ground wire screw. Replace the plum blossom screwdriver of the electric drill with an 8mm socket. Remove the two 8mm screws fixing the motor. Remove the screws fixing the motor cover. Cut the cable ties of the wires. Remove the damaged motor. Cut the neutral wire and leaf wire of the motor. Apply an appropriate amount of butter to the rotating shaft and cylindrical sleeve cap of the new motor. Insert the sleeve cap into the hole of the motor rotating shaft. Ensure that the notch on the motor rotating shaft corresponds to the notch in the hole. If the direction is incorrect, use pliers to rotate the shaft until it aligns with the notch in the hole. Then insert the rotating shaft of the motor into the hole. Ensure that the motor is inserted all the way to the bottom, and the surfaces are tightly attached to each other. Put on the motor cover. Tighten the two 8mm screws. Connect the brown wire in parallel with the white wire. Connect the black wire in parallel with the blue wire. Thread the wires with a wire wrap tape. Straighten the wires and tie them with cable ties. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put on the motor tail plate cover and tighten the screws. Place a piece of foam behind the machine and tip the machine over. Put on the front panel and tighten it with screws. Stick shock-proof sponge on the side of the machine. Install the left panel on the machine. Install the back plate on the machine. Plug in the power cord plug of the operation panel. Use a plastic glue gun to apply glue to the plug area. Fix the button panel tightly. Put on the right panel and tighten it with screws. Install the left and right styling panels.